Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle an interesting problem in C++. The problem at hand involves a program that initially seems correct but fails to compile due to a specific issue. The key problem lies in the incorrect order of the definitions of two lambdas, which leads to a lookup error during compilation. Let's dive into this intriguing problem and unravel the reasons behind its occurrence. Now, let's delve into the solution for the issue we just discussed. The solution lies in understanding how argument-dependent lookup functions in C++. When a call to a function inside a lambda is made, the lookup process searches for declarations of functions and function templates. In this case, the lambda named getFoo is not a function or a function template, but an object. As a result, it cannot be sound during argument-dependent lookup. Therefore, to ensure that getFoo is located correctly, its declaration must precede its usage in the code. This simple rearrangement resolves the lookup error and allows the program to compile successfully. In summary, the problem we encountered in the C++ program stemmed from the improper order of lambda definitions, leading to a lookup error during compilation. By understanding how argument-dependent lookup functions in C++, we identified the root cause of the issue and implemented a straightforward solution. Remember, correct ordering of declarations is crucial to avoid such errors in your code. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a funny comment below. See you next time.